Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a recipe. This is the hairspray which I have made from rosemary herb. This can be easily used on your hair for most of your hair problems. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this hairspray, I have used dry rosemary herb which I purchased online. There are many benefits using rosemary water spray for your hair. The most effective way is that it will stimulate hair growth by reducing the hair fall. Using this hair water or hairspray on your scalp has a lot of benefits. It will strengthen hair follicles, fight dandruff, reduce inflammation on the scalp, and if you have eczema or psoriasis, then this will help to reduce it. It will nourish the hair follicles, which will help the hair to grow long and thick. It will control excessive oil, protect the hair cuticle from damage, and will promote thicker hair growth, make your hair very volumized and shiny. It will also stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, thereby helping to reduce hair fall and stimulate fresh new hair growth. Using this hairspray will give you 100% result, and if you are using it religiously and continuously, it will definitely help you. It is good for all hair types. So it's very easy to make this hairspray. I am using a double boiler method. You can directly use a normal method. Here I have placed a pan. I'm going to take a thick bottomed bowl where I'm going to add 100 ml of water. I'm just making 100 ml of the hairspray. For 100 ml of water, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of the rosemary herb. If you find fresh herb, that is well and good, you can use it. And if you don't have the fresh herb, usually you'll find it in supermarkets and the vegetable section. This is very easily available ingredient or the herb. So if you don't have fresh one, you can also use dried, which you can purchase online. Here for 100 ml of water, I have added 2 tablespoons of rosemary and I have covered it with the lid, and I'm allowing it to boil in low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see that the water has changed its color. That means the rosemary has released all its properties into the water slowly and steadily. So this is ready. You can just put off the stove, remove it from fire, cool it for a few minutes, and then you can use it. If this is too thick or too strong for your use, you can dilute it with equal parts of water and use it. You can store it for more than a week in the refrigerator and use this. So make always in small quantities so that it will be all fresh for you to use every time. So I'm using a strainer to strain this, and your rosemary water is ready. You can also consume this rosemary water. You can drink it as tea. To that you can use the same method of boiling. You can add only 1/4 teaspoon of the rosemary herb, make a tea, put some honey and lemon. You can sip it as a tea. This is very good for your health also. So coming to the hair benefits, it has a lot of benefits for all hair types. Men or women both can benefit from this. This has antimicrobial properties, therefore it is very good for dandruff. It can soothe your scalp. It can also penetrate through your hair follicles, so that it can keep hair follicles healthy, promoting hair growth. So here I have taken a clean spray bottle where I am pouring it using a funnel, and I am going to use it on my hair. To use it on your hair, you need to make partitions so that you can put it directly on your scalp. You can use this just after shampoo, or even you can use it in the night when you are done with your work. Just spray, massage for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it overnight. You can shampoo it also next morning. Even if you don't shampoo it, this doesn't harm. You can keep it for a day also. So this is very good for all hair types. It can improve the health of your hair. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.